Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall the Python from your Windows 11 PC. So first we're gonna check if the Python is installed on my PC. So just go to the search bar and search for CMD. Now click on open, and now I'm just going to type Python space dash dash version, press enter. And now as you can see, Python 3.13.1 version is installed on my PC. So now I'm going to uninstall it. So to uninstall it, just right click on your Windows menu, then go to settings. After coming to the settings, just go to the apps option, click on install apps. And here you need to search for Python. And now as you can see, here's the Python 3.13.1-bit, 64-bit. So just right click on it and click on uninstall. Again, click on uninstall. Click yes. And now as you can see, it will start to uninstall from my PC. Try to show you that uninstall is successful. So now we're going to check if the uninstall is successful or not. Just go to search bar again, type CMD, click open, and now again type Python space dash dash version. And as you can see, Python was not found. Run without arguments to install from the Microsoft Store. So Python is now successfully uninstalled from my PC. So that's it guys. This is how you can uninstall the Python from your Windows 11 PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.